Ever wondered where football editors get those clean 4K clips from? The ones with insane quality, smooth motion, and perfect cinematics that make every edit look professional. In this video, I'm going to show you the best places to find high-quality football clips for your edits. Completely free and easy to use. Whether you edit on CapCut, After Effects, or even your phone, these websites will seriously level up your edits. No more blurry clips, no more low-quality screen recordings, just clean footage that actually makes your edits stand out. Go to YouTube search and type the first channel, Timoff. The quality is high and you will like it. Type yearly as the second channel in the search engine. The third channel is called Iadbovids. The fourth channel is Airalive 17. And finally, the last channel is called Reverse FTBL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, like how to get clips from movies and anime, etc., let me know in the comments.